too and inflated faster than the gingerbread girl. Alright guys, so here we have some Walmart inflatables that we got. We have a gingerbread lady, a Hello Kitty, a Scoob, and Bluey. So we're gonna unbox these 4 for you guys. I think we have a little gingerbread man somewhere.
Yeah, but he's older.
Alright, so this one was at Walmart for $16.88. So this one's pretty affordable. And she looks so cute with her little like candy look.
4 feet tall.
4 feet tall. Not bad for $16. I think Walmart has usually the best prices in inflatables. There she is. You can see her LED lights. She's kind of wide, so.
I think that's kind of weird.
There she is. She's almost fully inflated. You can see her pretty pink bow and her eyelashes and her dress, and you can see the little sprinkle effect on her. She's really cute. So, okay, so who's next?
Hello Kitty?
Hello Kitty is next.
Girls first.
Ladies first. Alright, so everybody loves Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is the most adorable kitty ever. So we are going to see what she looks like. I was so excited when I found this Hello Kitty because I hadn't seen that many good ones at Walmart. They were all just like basics. They weren't like licensed. So when I saw this one, it was so cute. And look how big her head is. She is pretty big. I think she's also a 4-footer.
No, she's taller. She's taller.
She's taller?
Yeah, look.
Well, what does it say on the box?
She's a 5-footer. 4.5.
Okay, so Hello Kitty is 4.5. They have that, you know, that she has that big head, kind of like the Harry Potter ones that we had. You can see Max is deflated because we needed his plug. But here she is. Yeah, and this one's a lot wider too and inflated faster than the gingerbread girl. So you can see here Hello Kitty's bow. Let's kind of move it so it can inflate. Yeah. So adorable. Look at her with her little holly dress and her ruffles. And this is little Hello Kitty. So far we have Gingerbread Girl and Hello Kitty. So who is next? Alright, so up next is Scoob. He's he's Scooby Doo, but he's like a baby Scooby Doo.
I think it's from like the new series.
From the new series?
But they got canceled. It only lasts a season. At least they got an inflatable out of it.
So we love character inflatables. These are a lot of fun. You know, we would like them if they sold bigger ones, but I mean, we'll take what we can get so far. This one was also $29, like the Hello Kitty. So this is Scoob. He is a puppy version of Scooby Doo. He has he's holding a candy cane in his mouth, so it's so cute.
His nose is real long.
His nose is real big. Like his head is a lot bigger proportion than his body, but he's supposed to be like a Great Dane, right? Scooby Doo is a Great Dane. I'm sure you guys will correct me in the comments if I'm incorrect about the dog breed of Scooby Doo. But here, oh, it's a bone. It's a bone that looks like a candy cane. Okay, so here's Scoob. He is sitting like a little good dog. You can see his big brown eyes and his Santa hat. So far we have these 3 guys. So last but not least, we're gonna do Bluey. So we got 2 ladies and 2 dogs.
2 dogs.
All right, so Bluey is a cartoon character from, I guess, Nickelodeon, right?
Yeah, so.
So this is a newer one. We thought he was cute. The cartoon is very wholesome. We like to throw in inflatables that smaller kids can recognize. You know, they say this cartoon is good for dogs to watch because dogs can only see the color blue and yellow. I think that's what I heard. And so dogs like to watch the cartoon because it captures it. Oh, look, there's his tail.
See Bucky's? You see Bucky's?
There, Bucky's. That's how you do a tail. All right, so here's the front of Bluey. You can see his eyebrows are on top of his Santa hat. And he's holding a present. And then I'll come back around here so you can see the tail better. Here is the tail, and there are his little blue dots on the back. So this is the Bluey. He's pretty big. So this one was also $29. So these are the 4 new ones we just unboxed. We got Scoob, Gingerbread Lady, we got Bluey, and Hello Kitty back there leaning back. So let us know which one of these 4 is your favorite. Mine for sure is Hello Kitty because I love Hello Kitty. But let me know what you think. And bye.